How to check login activity on Instagram in iPhone. First of all, go ahead and open up the Instagram application on your phone. You are now in the Instagram homepage. Here, you can view posts from friends and pages that you follow. Now, go to the bottom right corner and tap on your profile picture. You can view all your posts as well as your followers and following list from here. On this page, go to the top right corner and tap on the 3 horizontal bars. Here, go to Account Center. Scroll down to the Account Settings section and tap on Password and Security. Then, go to where you're logged in. Over here, you can see what and how many devices are used to log into your accounts. Tap on any account. You can now view the account login activity from here. Following these steps, you can easily check login activity on Instagram in iPhone.